Welcome back to Flowworks, and we're back for another painting this week. I'm going to do something a little bit different this week, which I haven't done before. I'm actually going to paint standing up and going to be painting against the wall behind me. Normally I'm painting on the table, sort of bent over and trying to create a piece where I want to actually paint and sort of see the piece. So I just want to see if it makes a difference with the canvas on the wall and I'm actually painting against the wall. Also, don't forget, check out last week's video where I produced this painting behind me. I actually really like the way this one come out as well. So yeah, check that one out. And just quickly, if you're new, if you just stumbled across me, I'm James, this is Flowworks, and I do a painting every single Wednesday called Wednesday's Works. So if you're into your art, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell notification. As I say, every single Wednesday at 8 PM, Wednesday's Works. And for all those people that have recently subscribed, thank you very much, and I'm eager to reach 100 subscribers. I know that sounds not a lot of people, but in my head that is quite a big audience to paint in front of, so I really appreciate every single one of you that's subscribed so far. Let's get some paint down onto my palette and let's crack on with a brand new painting, and we'll see how this one turns out this week. So I've got the canvas taped to this board and I'm just going to go for a simple seascape abstract painting.
miss that sexy smile, looking for to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time, 'cause change. I'll be whatever, what you like. We can dance, you got to move tonight. Stars are watching us in the sky. I wanna last it forever. And it's a sexy smile, looking forward to see you.
I really like this one. It is abstract. It's an abstract seascape. I love the reflection of this light source that's coming in here. Yeah, really happy with that one. As you could see, it was a really simple process. It's just about blending those colours and then creating those definite lines that come in, which then adds that sort of depth to the piece. And it looks as though you've meticulously painted every single stroke, when in theory you're just using a big brush to sort of come in and create those lines. It's like a really nice light streak that sort of comes in this area here. I really like that. There's so much depth into the sky section, it sort of draws your eye right into it. So yeah, overall really happy with that one. Thanks so much for watching this one. If you like my art, please subscribe, and I'll see you next week in next week's Flowworks. Thanks.